In March 2026, Amazon laid off 16,000 corporate employees. Dow Chemical cut 4,500 jobs. Atlassian fired 1,600 people. But here's what nobody's talking about. These aren't layoffs, they're restructuring. And the real reason? Agentic AI. Agentic AI isn't just a chatbot answering questions. It's an autonomous system that can make decisions, plan multi-step tasks, and execute them without asking permission. Think of it like this. ChatGPT waits for you to tell it what to do. Agentic AI looks at your workflow, sees what needs to happen, and does it. Let's break down what actually happened at these companies. Amazon stated officially, new AI tools allow smaller teams to perform work that previously required larger departments. AI has become an efficiency multiplier for investors. One person with AI assistance can now do what 3 people used to do. Atlassian's CEO said the same thing. We're pivoting toward AI in enterprise sales. They laid off 10% of workforce, that's 1,600 people. But here's the data that matters. A March 2026 survey from Novoresume found that 47% of workers say AI helps them complete tasks faster. But, and this is critical, the same survey revealed a productivity paradox. Workers are spending the saved time on personal activities while still on the clock, not increasing output. So companies aren't seeing the promised gains yet, but they're laying off people anyway. Why? Because the potential is there, and they're betting on it. So which jobs are we talking about? The data shows middle management roles are first. Why? Because AI agents can handle routine decisions, approvals, scheduling, basic problem solving. Administrative tasks are next, email management, data entry, scheduling. Financial analysis roles are changing, not disappearing, but shrinking. Routine financial forecasting, expense categorization, basic reporting. And customer service is already transforming, not people losing jobs, but roles consolidating. But, and this matters, technical roles are actually expanding. You need people to train AI agents, monitor their decisions, fix when they go wrong, handle exceptions. This isn't about job extinction, it's about job transformation. If your job involves routine decisions, learn to use AI agents to augment, not replace. If your workflow involves consistent processes, start documenting now. AI learns from documented processes. If you do data analysis, shift to interpretation, not collection. If you manage teams, focus on strategy, let AI handle execution. Here's what you should do right now. First, document your workflow. How do you make decisions? What's your process? Write it down. This is the data AI needs to automate it. Second, learn AI tools. Not to replace yourself, to augment your role. If your manager sees you using AI to 10 times your output, you're valuable, not replaceable. Upskill in areas AI can't do yet. Strategy, creativity, human judgment, ethical decision-making. Fourth, watch for restructuring at your company. If they're buying enterprise AI licenses, it's coming. But here's what's important to remember. Every major technological shift creates disruption and opportunity. The printing press displaced scribes, but created the publishing industry. The internet displaced travel agents, but created digital marketing. Agentic AI will be the same. Some roles will compress, some will disappear, but entirely new roles will emerge. Morgan Stanley predicts transformative AI in the first half of 2026. But they also note companies that succeed will be those that reskill employees, not just replace them. The key difference between companies thriving and companies struggling? Those that treat AI as an augmentation tool, not a replacement tool. So, this isn't about panic, it's about adaptation. The biggest mistake? Waiting and hoping it doesn't happen. The smartest move? Start documenting your workflows, learning AI tools, and positioning yourself as someone who can work with AI, not against it. If you found this useful, subscribe for weekly breakdowns of what's actually happening in AI. Not the hype, just the data. Let me know in the comments what's your biggest concern about agentic AI.